What's up, y'all? Welcome to this video tutorial. This is the first of a series of videos that I'm going to do, and the purpose of this is to teach you what I know about how to build a website. I'm going to be mentioning everything that I know, from file organization all the way to uploading the files and getting your website up and running. And it's going to be long, so this is the first part, and I'll try to make this as short and sweet as possible, and for you to gain as much benefit as you can because you're investing your time in watching this tutorial. The first and most important thing I believe in any kind of business, in fact this relates to all kinds of things that you do, is organization. Organization is going to save you time. It's going to make you much more efficient when it comes to looking for your files and sorting them, or trying to send them to people, because as a business owner and manager, you're going to have to manage people. You're going to have to manage your resources, and in internet business, your resource is information. Your resource is data. And so this becomes very, very important. I'm going to show you how I do it. The first thing I want to do is make my master folder. This folder can be named anything you want, all right? But I'm going to, for now, just call it master folder. Master. And in this folder, I'm going to organize all of my data for my businesses. And let's say that I have 2 businesses. So I'm going to create 2 folders, and I'm going to number them, and I think this is the best way to do it. Visually pleasing, easy to see and organize. Business 1, and the second one, business 2. So all of the data pertaining to business 1 is going to go in here, business 2 in here, obviously. We'll just do one example, and in this folder, I like to make the first folder legal documents, because you're going to have all sorts of legal documents that you're going to record and keep and organize. And I'm also going to number these as well, legal documents. And then I'm going to put here, maybe you'll have employees, and you need information on your employees, so I'll make another folder there. This is really up to you on how you want to organize, but the main important part here is that you have a master folder. And in here, because all of your businesses are going to be related to online internet websites, I'm going to call the third folder website. All right? And sometimes I like to name this folder the actual URL address or the domain name, and in this example I'm going to just say Henry's example. And this folder is going to become your root folder, and this vocabulary is going to be very powerful later on and very important, so make sure that you remember that. It's going to be called the root folder, and this folder is going to contain all of the data for my website. And this is directly related to how you're going to upload this to the internet. I'm going to open this up, and in this root folder there should be some basic other folders, subfolders that you're going to need. And the first one I'm going to do is IMG for image, and this folder is going to contain all of your images that are going to be on your website. The next thing I'm going to do, the next folder I want to put is CSS. What is CSS? That's going to become relevant a little bit later on. It's a bit more complicated, so I'll do that in the next video when I start to talk about the basics of a website and how websites are built. The third one I'm going to put is DOCS. For documents. Maybe you have PDF files or other files that you're gonna want people to download from your website, and that's where all of those files are going to go. Remember I said that this is called the root folder. This root folder becomes incredibly important because this root folder is your local directory for your website. What I mean by this is the following. I'm just going to open up a notepad here to show you this example. Let's just say that my website is called www, and this is where it exists, let's just say for now. Okay? This is my URL. When someone types in this URL in their web browser, by default, the web browser is going to display this page, index.html. It could be index.php. It could be something else, but by default, and for this example, and for you to know the basics, this is going to be what is displayed when they type in this URL. And that's basically your landing page, your home page. And how this works is index.html. This is actually a file. It is an HTML file. What is HTML? I'm not going to get into the acronym, but basically it is a file written in HTML code. And I'm going to get into the basics of that in the next videos as well. But for now, let's just know that that's actually a file that this browser is displaying on their web browser, on the user's computer. And on here, what this means is this directory here is basically going to be this directory here. So for example, let's say I'm just gonna put a text document for now, all right? And I'm gonna put index.html. Enter. This file and whatever's inside, and inside will be HTML code. And I'll show you that later on, but for the purpose of this video, now it's clear. This is related to this. And this is exactly how it is displayed on your server, which is going to be connected to the internet. Another example, let's say that this one here also has another file, and let's say this one is about.html, and this is another page of your website, and this is going to become this part, about HTML. So if you go to a website and you see on their navigation page about, home, contact, blah 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 on their navigation menu, what they're doing is they're linking that button of that menu to a specific location in their root directory, in their root folder. And in this case, if it's the button about, then that's going to lead the user to this URL, which is this file. Obviously right now, this directory is not uploaded to the internet. So if nothing is uploaded to this directory, then that means that it's not going to display on the website. All the internet is uploading data files such as these to the internet with a specific address, and this data exists in somebody's hard drive somewhere that is connected to the internet, and that source, that hard drive where these files are located, is called your server. All right, and I'm gonna get into the specifics of that later on as well, but this is the basics, you guys. That's it. You're gonna organize your businesses this way, and you're going to have a folder inside there that's going to contain all of your websites. And for this example, you have a website folder, and that root folder is going to be the data source for your website. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next